Passive Income Mastery. Diversify your wealth with smart strategies. Hello, savvy investors and passive income enthusiasts. Welcome to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving into the realm of passive income, exploring smart strategies to diversify your wealth and build a steady stream of income without constant effort. In this 5-minute guide, we'll cover ideas like dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and real estate investments through platforms like REITs. Part 1. Dividend stocks. First up, let's talk about the power of dividend stocks. 1. What are dividend stocks? These are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly. 2. How to start. Look for established companies with a history of paying consistent dividends. Platforms like Robinhood or brokerage accounts offer easy access. Part 2. Peer-to-peer lending. Now, let's explore the world of peer-to-peer lending. 1. What is P2P lending? It's a method of debt financing that enables individuals to borrow and lend money without traditional financial institutions. 2. Getting started. Platforms like Prosper or Lending Club connect borrowers with lenders, allowing you to earn interest on your loans. Part 3. Real estate investments through REITs. Next on the list, real estate investments through real estate investment trusts, REITs. 1. What are REITs? These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. 2. How to invest. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate with lower capital compared to traditional property ownership. Part 4. Creating a balanced portfolio. Now, let's discuss the importance of a balanced portfolio for passive income. 1. Diversification. Spread your investments across different passive income streams to reduce risk. 2. Regular monitoring. While passive, it's crucial to periodically assess and adjust your portfolio for optimal performance. Part 5. Risks and considerations. Before diving into passive income, let's address some key considerations. 1. Market risks. All investments come with inherent risks. Stay informed and be prepared for market fluctuations. 2. Due diligence. Research thoroughly before committing to any investment opportunity. Understand the potential returns and associated risks. And there you have it. A concise guide to generating passive income through dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and real estate investments. Remember, the key is to diversify wisely and stay informed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of finance and wealth building here at Business with Joe. Thanks for joining us, and here's to building your path to financial freedom through passive income.